Hello everyone, welcome to another Wix tutorial video. Now in this video, I will show you how to create an invoice on Wix, how you can actually send invoices to your potential clients, and pretty much everything through Wix. So Wix is actually a platform where you can actually send invoices to your clients, you can customize the invoices, and you can do a lot more. Now first of all, make sure to log in into your website dashboard. And as you can see, you have a couple of things right here on the side, but what we're looking here is we basically go here to search and we just type in invoices, right? Here we have a couple of options. We have recurring invoices. We can create recurring invoices, or we can send invoices to our clients and get paid online. This is for clients that are paying for the first time, or they are not maybe a recurring client. We can go here, and from here, as you can see, we'll load it up. And as you can see here, just click get started and you will be able to get started with invoices. So here you can create an invoice on Wix. As you can see, you can choose the contact. Obviously, you can get the invoice title as well, add an item, write a description, and then all you have to do is collect the payment or send the invoice. And this is basically preview if you want to see it as well. So that's pretty much how you can create an invoice and send the invoice on Wix. So if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.